I just saw those Spider-Mans.
Hey Lincoln, how many dogs do you have?
3 of them.
Show me again. Lincoln, how many dogs do you have?
I just got 3 of them.
Let me see. Show me.
I just got Spider-Mans.
You got Spider-Mans. Do you have 3 dogs?
No, Spider-Mans.
You have 3 Spider-Mans?
Yeah.
Show me.
No. I got 3 Batmans.
3 Batmans?
No.
No.
I just got 3 Batmans.
3 Batmans?
He's hitting.
Who's hitting? We don't hit, do we?
Is it a Batman's? Is it both of them?
Oh, what does Spider-Man do? Don't worry, Caitlin's not there.
He's asleep.
He's sleeping.
No.
Hey. What else does Spider-Man do?
Does Spider-Man jump?
No. He does it. He does it.
You okay?
Yeah. I just heard the couch.
You hurt the couch?
Yeah.
Ask him if it's okay. If he's okay.
Stop.
Oh.
I just heard this.
You hurt your knee?
No.
No, okay.
I just heard the pants.
Your pants.
Whoa! I just heard this. Whoa! I just heard this. Where does this monkey come from? They're not working.
Hey Lincoln, say bye.
What?
Say bye.